Welcome to week 10. This week, I need you to review PowerPoint number 7 and PowerPoint number 8. Our objectives and outcomes stay the same. We are still in Chapter 6 of the textbook. And your discussion board this week is going to be on review of systems and physical, the difference between the two. You will also be doing assignment number 16 and 17. So with 16, make sure you read through PowerPoint number 7 very carefully. Do the standards and documentation assignment that I have attached. You'll be looking through, again, different electronic health records. And again, for number 17 then, you want to make sure that you read through PowerPoint number 8 well. The assignment electronic records again are attached. So any questions for this week, please send me an email.